Alright, we're here with a full HD camera with a microphone, and I just want to jump in and look at the features. Afraid of wet, fragile. It's not the features. Alright, we're here with this full HD camera. It comes with a microphone that mounts to the top of it, and we're going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and then do a overview of it, and I'll give you my thoughts toward the end of the video, and scores out of 5 stars, and I do half a stars. Now, let's dig right in here. Go to the back camera. You can see both the user and the microphone manual, so we'll leave those up there. They're pretty common manuals. User manual, a little bit bigger, multi-language, of course, not too bad. There is an 1/8 inch stereo, two RCAs right and left. There is a microphone cable, an older style USB cable, and one of my favorite features of several cameras lately, 2 batteries, very nice to have. That is a USB charger plug, and there's the microphone. Says it's stereo mic, and I do like that remote. It's a little mini remote, but made pretty well. And another feature I'm seeing in more cameras is the lens hood. Very good for keeping unwanted side reflection light out of your pictures. And you got a canvas bag. I do like those. Very much appreciated. And high definition, 24 megapixel, and that would be for the digital camera that is in this. Now we can go ahead and get right into it, and I'll be right back after installing this battery. Okay, and we're back after installing the battery. I'll go ahead and go to the rear camera here, and maybe you can get a small glimpse of your screen when it boots up. Now I did want to go to the side here, and you have a power button here, a menu. You have a toggle up, down, left, and right, and an OK in the middle. Now I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it well, but it says USB, mic, and TV. And I'm assuming that is for this cable. It's actually not an audio cable. That would be a white and red, and it is a white and yellow. The yellow meaning for a picture or a video out. So we open that, and that's for your USB cable. And then that's your TV cable, and the center one goes to your microphone that it comes with. And it looks like that microphone also has an internal battery. You probably charge that straight through the USB. I'm pretty sure of that. And we'll go ahead and go through this thing. Okay, you go into menu, and you have a mode set that goes into auto, and there's a night mode, some portrait, landscape, things like that. You have a resolution, which is pretty obvious. Whatever resolution your camera or your video is set in. You have beauty face, which I don't know what it is. Movie size, which is going to have your full high definition, your high definition, and your VGA, which are 1920 by 1080, 1280 by 720, and I believe the VGA is set at 640 by 480. Your shooting, self-timer, which is pretty obvious. You have your exposure settings, which it does have 3 up, 3 down. You have a white balance, which are all basic, which is your different lighting and your nighttime and daytime. Has quality, which goes into fine, super fine. Has a sharpness setting separately. An effect, I'm not a fan of effects on video cameras personally. Has some ISO settings. Those go from 1 to 400, or you can go for your auto. Okay, after ISO, you have a camera shake, I believe. Yes. Then you have face detection, And you have a smile capture. I believe that's an auto setting when your camera detects a smiling face in it, so you get better pictures. This does have a mode setting and it has a setup through here, which is language. There's a date setting, power save, beeping, your frequency, 50 or 60 hertz, your TV output settings, formatting your SD card, and says default. All right, we're going to go ahead and go through this camera. I'm going to do some recording with it and see what the picture and sound looks and sounds like, and put some scores up. And you'll see that video right now. Okay, and we are back with the full high definition camera with the microphone, and it's about 5 feet away. The camera that I record most of my videos with is a Blackmagic Cinema camera. It does have a speed booster. It's about 15 feet away, and I do use full frame lenses on that. Okay, and we're back, and you've seen the video. Now, those scores are going to be in the lower corner of your screen, so you can check out the video score now, and then we'll move over to the sound score. It should be down there right about now. And my overview of this camera before I do see the video. It's pretty good camera. It is plastic build. It does come with a mic. The mic has an internal battery. That's really appreciated. Saves you a lot of money on batteries. They're really expensive these days. Comes with 2 batteries. That's always a plus. Lens hood, that should give us a little bit better picture than what we would normally get. It's just a little 3-piece screw together lens hood that goes right onto the camera pretty easily. So I'll get that on there and I'll do that video. I'll get you your scores. And I appreciate you checking out the channel. If you learned anything or this helped you in any way on a purchase you may be making, please like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got some more video reviews on cameras and some other items that we're going to be doing very shortly. So make sure you check out the channel before you go purchase that. Check out the link to buy this in the description. Take care.